Well, that's all for now in this building. And I was scared that there was no Borstig guy. Oh no. They stopped to talk. Oh. So I speak my English, my best English ever in the world. And I don't want to my guardian being assaulted by Borstig guy. It's because my guardian wants to be assaulted by Borstig guy. And I can't do any lift outside. My guardian gets assaulted. Well, it can be very horrible. And anything with that. So I couldn't do anything. But I don't want it to be assaulted too. Or can be. Oh. Whoa. I'm here to film the lift. Now, give me a permission right now, or don't kick me out. Or I will call Bowser to kidnap you. So well, in building the next lift base noise this and crap. Well, this is fair. Wow, we said that we don't being assaulted by Borstig guy. And that Red Access is going to jail. That's right. All the Sundays. And all the way up to go.